Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. It seems like we have hit 1,500 subscribers. So I am going to announce the winners of the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. Now, if you remember, I told you that I was going to do this giveaway similar to the way I did my 1K giveaway, and just with some more winners. So this actually has 7 winners. We have 3 winners that are going to receive a box of this size stuffed full of makeup, skincare, lifestyle products, all of that. We have a winner that is going to win this Morphe palette. And then, because I wanted more winners, for each of the large boxes, there will be runner-up winners. And they will get a bag full of goodies like this. So, but the runner-ups actually get to pick which bag they would want in order. So like runner-up number 1 gets to pick their bag first, runner-up number 2 gets to pick their bag second, and runner-up number 3 gets to pick their bag last. Now, the last time I did this, I did have more bags made up. I only had enough stuff for 4 bags, but you still get to choose which one you want. So I'm going to go ahead, before I announce the winners, I'm going to go ahead and go through these bags and give them a name. That way the runner-ups are able to pick whichever bag they want. So we are going to just call this the green bag. And let me kind of pull everything out here. So in the green bag, you get a Suva Beauty eyeshadow. You get a matte lip paint duo by Girlactic. I'm pretty sure it has like one color on one end, one color on the other. You get a sample size of the Bum Bum Cream. You get a M61 Power Glow Peel. You get a Kaylin eyeliner. You get a Ciate London mascara. You get a mini makeup eraser. And you get a Kukui nut oil, just like a body oil. So that is in the green bag. I'll pack these up later. The next bag is the leaves bag. And in this bag, you will win a hot oil hair treatment, an essential lip color by Cargo. If I remember correctly, it's red, or like a berry color. You will get an instant cleansing balm by Molecules. You will get a gel eyeliner by Bella Paris. You will get the Tarte Big Ego mascara. You will get a facial steam. You will get a Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick. You will get a mechanical eyeliner by Girlactic. You will get a Tarte blush in Bikini Bottoms. And you will get an Ulta Beauty highlighter. I did decide to make an entire bag of skincare. If anybody was interested in this, we will just call this the black and white bag. Sounds good to me, right? So in this bag, you will get a champagne face spray. You will get a sample-sized face cream. You will get Skin Active's Scientific Collagen Serum. You will get a Dr. Jart color correcting treatment. You will get a refresh skin therapy. It's an exfoliating solution. You will get a hydraulic lip booster. Yeah, I said that right. Hydraulic lip booster. You will get It Cosmetics Confidence in a gel lotion. And then you will also get Glam Glow Glow Starter, and it's a mega illuminizing moisturizer. So that is in the all skincare bag. Then the last bag, we will call this the gold bag. Let's see, and in this bag, you get a Real Her eyeshadow palette. You get a Model Co metallic trio, eyeshadow trio. You get a makeup base. So I'm pretty sure like this is just an eye primer. And then you get a metallic eyeshadow. And you will get Jet Super Hydrating Skincare. So it's a facial spray. All right, so that concludes all the bags. So let's announce the winners, shall we? So I'm going to announce them in order. I'm going to announce the boxes first, the Morphe palette, and then I'm going to announce runner-up 1, runner-up 2, runner-up 3. So the winner of a box number 1, and I am so sorry if I slaughter your name, Pearl Ojinka. I hope I said that right. Winner of box number 2 is Can You Possibly Not Now? Winner of box number 3 is Candy Joe. The winner of the Morphe palette is Jessica Thorpe. Oh, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Runner-up number 1 is Danielle Smith. I hope I'm saying Danielle right. I'm not sure. Maybe Danielle? Danielle, I'm not sure. I am so sorry. So sorry. The runner-up number 2 is Sophia Luna, and runner-up number 3 is Michelle Natsky. Congratulations to all of you. Please contact me within 48 hours. If I don't hear from you, I will draw another winner in your place. And again, as soon as Danielle Smith figures out which bag she would like, then Sophia, you can pick your bag, and then Michelle, you can pick your bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so happy for all of you that won this giveaway. When you get your prizes, please shoot me an email. Well, okay, so my email is down in the description. You need to contact me within 48 hours. But then after we've been in discussion, after you receive your prizes, please shoot me an email with the photos of you and your prizes. That way I can feature them in pictures in an upcoming video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you so much for being with me, and have a great day. Bye.